the latest Hara mop bucket's arrived, and it's sturdy and on wheels. I'm showing you how to fill the bucket either with a hose from outside, or I'm going to get rid of this, or you can have a bucket of water and tip it into the compartment. The latest of the press squeeze bucket has arrived. I want to show you how to actually squeeze and use it. We immerse the floor pad, the Hara floor pad, into the water. The colder the water, the better the fibres work. Now, if it's dripping wet like that, particularly over timber, we have to squeeze it out. So we put it into the compartment, and we take the press and we squeeze it down. And then, of course, we put it on our floor handle. If you still need to get more water out, you fold it and stand it up, and then listen to all the excess water I take out. This squeeze mop bucket's arrived, and I'm going to show you. It's so easy. We just push it around on wheels so we can go anywhere. We squeeze out our floor pad with the press, and then we place it on to our floor handle. It's very important when your floor pad gets full of dirt that you rinse it again. So what we do, when it's dirty, we dip it in the dip glue. It comes out just like new, nice and white, and we put it in the compartment and we wring it out. Voila.